He had another rough one last night.
Yeah.
So this next song is by somebody I really love, but y'all probably not know. Her name is Radiant Children. It's one of my favorite songs, so I hope you all can enjoy it. I'm not who I said I is, not what it looks like. Ain't easy being so psycho, you already know. About to throw ice at the wall, just to watch it break. I can get into the brawl myself and maybe you too. I act like I don't need you. I lie, 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 I'm a liar. And the ugly crier, I spit it out my pacifier. Listening to sad songs, hoping that you won't be gone too long. Woo! Why don't you come back, come back, come back, come back home to me? So tell me what I'm gonna do if I can't lay with you, babe. I only find the words to say each time you walk away. Feels like I'm going through withdrawals. I even got the shakes, but I can't blame you at all. Rewind it, take it right back. You know I'm still young like that.